welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really visual card trick. It's really unbelievable triple card change. It's super amazing because you change 1, 2, 3 cards. It's really unbelievable, it's really easy to do. Thank you for watching my video because it's really nice education sleight of hand magic. It's really foundation trick. It's really nice effects. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, maybe share this video your friend magician, why not, it's really bellissimo. So guys, thank you for watching, let's go tutorial this card change. Alright, this really visual card change because you 4 change, it's really unbelievable. Yes, it's really nice, it's really easy to do. Let's go. You take 4 cards, maybe 8 of clubs, 4 of diamonds, jack of diamonds and queen of spades. And now your setup look like this. You turn over this deck, turn over 1 cards, take this queen and put in her like this. Right. Turn over this deck, take these 3 cards like this, jack, 4, 8 and turn over like this. It's really easy setup. 8, 4, jack, queen of spades, 1 card, turn over face down. Right. The next step, you take 3 cards. It's really easy. Your right hand, count 3 cards and make a double lift, triple lift. I'm sorry. You make 3 cards and turn over like this. It's really easy. Look, you count 3 cards, take these 3 cards, make move it like this, take this jack like this, take this jack like this, and show it like this. Because you turn over these cards, you spin cards like this. It's really easy. Look, maybe shuffle like this, take 3 cards, turn over, make you show it. It's really easy. Alright, look, I repeat slow-mo, count 3 cards, take these 3 cards, and now turn over these cards like this, take this jack, turn over like this, and now use this jack, take these cards. Right. This is 3 cards, of course. And next step, your right hand, palm these 2 cards like this. Look, you take these 3 cards, and now your jack put in her like this, and 2 cards your right hand palm it like this. Alright? It's really easy. I repeat, look, this is 3 cards. Show it, make a palm it 3 cards. Alright, this is 3 cards. And now you this make a change number 1 like this. Your right hand make change like this and drop it this 8 of clubs like this and show it this 8 of clubs. Of course, you palm it this 4 of diamonds like this, right? And next step, you make a change 4 of diamonds like this. It's really easy, right? 3 cards, turn over like this, show it, spin these cards like this, and take these cards like this. Alright? It's really easy. And next step, your right hand palm it these 2 cards, 8 and 4. Look, take these 3 cards, your right hand palm it these 2 cards like this. Alright? It's really easy move. Look, 3 cards, palm it like this. It's really easy. And next step, you squeeze this jack and change number 1 like this. You squeeze these 2 cards and drop it 8 of clubs and show it this 8 of clubs. Of course, this is your cards palmed and covered your right hand. And next step, you change card number 2 like this. It's really easy. I repeat, 3 cards. Look, squeeze 2 cards, drop it 1 cards, show it, palm it, and show it these cards. And next step, your right hand make move it like this, your left hand turn over this deck, your right hand spin this deck like this. It's really easy, look. It's really nice, look. 3 cards, I repeat, take 3 cards, turn over, make palm it, squeeze 2 cards, drop it 1 card, drop it 2 cards, and turn over and spin this deck. And show it this queen of spades, of course. It's really nice. With 3 cards, turn over, this is jack of diamonds, palm these two cards like this. This is 3 cards, of course. Take 3 cards, make a palmet, and now you squeeze these 2 cards like this and drop it 1 card like this. Alright, look, use this finger, this little finger, squeeze these 2 cards and 1 card, shot these cards like this. It's really easy. And now you palmet this 4 diamonds. Yes. Show with this 8 of clubs, and now you palmet, squeeze like this, and now change number 3 like this. It's really easy. It's really nice card change, because look, this is Jack of diamonds, 8 of clubs, 4 diamonds, and Queen of spades.